eating wildlife, Royce-Bedoys. So this is what a cab looks like. Listen, pack, and listen, pack, and listen, pack, and listen, pack, and tire. Have some snacks if you like. We're going to for an hour. Got it. 10 minutes later. I got the snacks. Let's get the party started. Isn't nature not beautiful? Ouch! Ouch! I think it bit me. Getting bit by a cab is part of nature. Squirrel! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hair squirrely whirly, hair squirrely whirly, hair squirrely whirly, hair squirrely whirly. Oh no, Royce-Bedoys. I don't think you should click on. Oops! See? It likes the popcorn. That wasn't so bad, right?
Disgusting!
All done! No more! Shoo! Bye-bye! Look, more animals are coming. What else can we drop? Feed. How about the marshmallows? Marshmallows? I don't think they'll eat. Would you eat plain white sauce? Oh yeah, you do have a point. Cease! Lois, come on! What do we do? What do we do? It's a giant daddy snoring. Stop it, Lois. That's just grizzly bear. Ow. Dum. Crush. Wah! 10 minutes later. When you feed wild animals, they come back looking for you like your car here. Ew!